Hey everybody, today we're doing Forerunner stuff. This is my steering wheel, my 2016 Forerunner. It's perfectly smooth, there's no gouges in it, but it's discolored. And it's been like this for a number of years. At one point I took Paracord and I had it wrapped around the steering wheel. I used fancy knots and made a pattern and it was fine, but it took a little while to do. So today, I'm going to try to redo it. And I took the paracord off during COVID, one, because it was dirty, and two, because you couldn't wipe the steering wheel down. And not, I tried. I'm going to use just a straight wrap around the steering wheel. As always, I've got my partners in crime here giving me a hand. I'm going to set you up over here, and hopefully you can be able to see. Alright, this is my bundle of paracord, and I am sure it is going to be all over the place by the time I'm done. So, here we go. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tie a knot that gets tighter as you pull. So just like everything's knot here is good. And then, I got it tucked in the corner here, should be out of the way. I think, take this tail and tuck this tail up. That's going to hold it in place even more. Like I said, I had this wrap on here before, and I had fancy knots and something different this time. And because I like simple and I'm a little bit lazy, this seemed like the right thing for me to do today. I'm going to try something different with this rope. Best method that I found so far is to just wrap, put all of your rope into a cylinder or a bag, a container, whatever, and then just wrap it around. And as you wrap it around, you just tighten up your loops. And that seems to be the best method. Alright, I've reached the end of the road. I'm gonna figure out how to terminate this. I think I'm just gonna tuck it up underneath. We'll tighten everything up, and then I'll heat this up and kind of melt it together with the other one, or use some hot glue. So let me get working on that. Alright, there it is. Final product. Single wrap all the way around. Tuck this through on the end, and then just melted this end so it keeps everything together. There's no knots, there's no bumps. In the end, it turned out pretty well, so I think it looks pretty good.